Do you need a professional AGA cleaner in Shepton Mallet, Wells, Glastonbury, Street and surrounding areas of Somerset? Well, you're in the right place. My name is Dean Shepherd and I'm a perfectionist when it comes to getting your AGA perfectly clean. I pay particular attention to every single detail of your AGA. I use only environmentally friendly and natural products. And unlike any other professional AGA cleaners in the area, you can ring right now, get your calls answered, be given a quote and be booked in for your AGA clean by my lovely office staff. But wait a minute, I have a special offer for you. You don't want to use any AGA cleaning company to clean your AGA, not doing a complete and thorough job, using unsafe equipment or products, or taking all day to do it. You need someone with experience, and with over 18 years experience of AGA cleaning, we know how to clean your AGA efficiently, safely and thoroughly. Giving you a complete AGA cleaning service, we know how difficult it is to clean your AGA, where it is hot and you have little time to pay attention to it, which is why we ensure the perfect job first time, so you can focus on other things in your life. If you call and book right now, we will give you an oven liner that you can use to line your oven trays in your AGA. So call my number now or request a free quote that will clean your AGA and give your AGA something to smile about.